Hi, welcome to Something More. I'm Swanan and today we are going to unbox the power bank from URBN with 10,000 mAh capacity. Let's start. So I had ordered this on Flipkart and been using this for a couple of weeks. Here is the main box. Here we can see main features like 18 watt fast charging, Type C as both input and output, and also that it has a 1-year warranty. On the sides we can find the URBN and Make in India badging. On the back we can see different specifications. Now let's open the box. In the box, we can find the power bank and a Type A to Type C cable. Along with it, a warranty card and an instruction manual. It has two USB-A ports for charging the devices, one micro USB port for charging the power bank, and one USB-C port which works as both input and output. All the ports and buttons are on the top side of the power bank. Now let's compare it with my old Cisco power bank having the same 10,000 mAh capacity. The URBN power bank is comparatively thin and light. Let's check how is the output. It is charging rapidly my Mi-A3. A funny thing, I tried to charge my MacBook Pro with its USB-C port and it worked fine. So that's it guys. Here is the power bank from URBN. You can find the link to buy this in the description. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe. See you in my next video.